Brake rotors are an important part of your car's braking system. Over time, they can get dirty or rusty, which can make your brakes less effective. There are simple steps you can follow to clean your brake rotors safely at home. First, find a flat and safe place to park your car. Make sure you are away from traffic. Turn off the engine and pull the parking brake so the car does not move. Before cleaning your brake rotors, it is important to loosen the lug nuts on the wheel. Use a lug wrench to turn each nut slightly while the car is still on the ground. This makes it easier to remove the wheel later when the car is lifted. Do not fully remove the nuts at this stage, just break the tight grip. Always do this step before using the jack for safety and stability. To clean the brake rotors, you need to jack up the car after loosening the lug nuts. Place the jack under the car's jacking point and lift the car until the wheel is off the ground. Once lifted, place jack stands underneath to safely support the vehicle. Never rely only on the jack to hold the car. This step gives you safe access to remove the wheel and reach the brake rotors. After the car is safely lifted and supported with jack stands, you can remove the wheel to access the brake rotors. Carefully pull the wheel straight off the hub and set it aside in a safe place. Make sure not to drop or damage the wheel. With the wheel removed, the brake rotor is now fully visible and ready for cleaning. Before cleaning, take a close look at the brake rotor to check its condition. Look for signs of damage like deep grooves, heavy rust, or uneven wear. A lightly rusty or dusty rotor can be cleaned, but if it is cracked or deeply scored, it may need replacement. Inspecting the rotor helps you decide whether cleaning is enough or if further repair is needed. CRC BraClean Brake Cleaner Spray is very effective for cleaning brake rotors because it quickly removes dirt, grease, and brake dust. It evaporates fast, leaving no residue, which helps keep the rotors clean and dry. Using BraClean improves braking performance by ensuring the rotor surface is free of contaminants. After spraying BraClean, sprinkle some dish soap mixed with water onto the brake rotor to loosen any remaining dirt and grease residue. Then scrub the rotor gently with a brush to remove stubborn grime. Finally, rinse the brake rotor with fresh water to wash away all soap and dirt. You can see the brake rotor looks clean and all the grease residue has been removed. After cleaning the brake rotors, press the brake pedal several times to ensure it feels firm. Then, take a slow test drive to check that the brakes work smoothly and safely. So, by applying these steps and using the right product, you can clean brake rotors easily.